Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I have a few stuff for my Honda Accord that I ordered before, um, that I'm going to install today, and let me show you what did I got. And this is the WeatherTech all weather floor mats that I ordered from their website, and I'm going to put this in the car and then I will show you later. More like plasticky stuff. I thought it's like rubber ice. It's more like plasticky stuff. I'll read this later. Floor mats and debris from curved rubber ensure proper fit. Okay, so that was it. Let me just install those and show you how they look. So guys, as you can see, I just removed the factory floor mat from this side. Let me see which one is the driver side and which one is the passenger side. Okay, yeah, so this one is the driver side. Yeah, that's like perfect fit for this. Look at this. Perfect. As you can see, this fits like perfectly, even on the corner, fully attached. Looks very nice. Let's start with the other side. So I just removed the factory one. So let's put this one in. And it seems like this does not have any hooks for this side. But even though it does not have any hooks for this side, it's like fit properly. Sits with the corner, very nice. Look at that. That's fitting is very nice. Okay, let's install the very last one in the back. Maybe I should leave the stock one inside and put that one on top. As you can see, this piece probably going to fit properly like the other two pieces. Let me clean this. There we go. So I'm surprised with these fittings that they make for this car. Look at those edges, how they blend in the vehicle. And this one too sits very nicely. You can see the fitting. They are really expensive, but they do the job properly, fits properly, looks nice. So that's all. Let me just, now I'm going to install the door edges, and then I'll show you guys in the next video how I install those on the door edges.